So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Vendors. Today in this quick video, I'll be telling you how to get early access to PUBG Mobile India or Battlegrounds Mobile India as it is known now. So first of all, go into Battlegrounds Mobile India's official Instagram account and then click on the link in their bio. Then they will ask you to sign in using your Google account. So after signing in, you will see an option to become a tester. Just click on it and now you can download Battlegrounds Mobile India. To download the game, just click on the download option you see on the site and this will take you to the Play Store where you can directly install the game. So wait for a while to finish installing. After it's finished installing, open up the game, grant the necessary permissions and you can once again enjoy PUBG Mobile. So if you did enjoy this video, do subscribe to the channel for more such videos.